my Chinese Corner, I'm Wei. In this video, we're going to learn number 0 to 10 in Mandarin Chinese. 0 0 Your turn. 1 1 Your turn. 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 In some Western culture, certain numbers are believed to be lucky or unlucky. Let's look at numbers in Chinese culture. Is 4 lucky or unlucky? In Mandarin, the sound of si is very similar to si, which means death. So 4 is a number to be avoided in Chinese culture. How about 6? In Mandarin, 6 sounds like smooth. So 6 brings luck and fortune. What about 8? 8 sounds like fa, which means wealth in Mandarin. So 8 is a lucky number. If you can find any other examples of lucky or unlucky numbers used in Chinese culture, please share them below. I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 再见.